Your favorite girl wearing her favorite shirt, one of my few favorite shirts. So I'm here with my version of the nature cereal because I didn't have some of that shit.
Produced by the gods.
I'm fresh out of blueberries, and I didn't buy raspberries because you got stuff already in your house. Use what you got. Trying to buy stuff to make a video. Meanwhile, your squash spoiled. Squash ain't going in this. That's neither here nor there. So I got ice in here already. You see my big old ice. I ain't got no ice maker, mind your business. Strawberries, blackberries, blackberry molasses, other things that never. Y'all, some of y'all too young for that. Mandarin that's trying to dry out on me, but that's okay because as we know, coconut water is hydrating, is it not? I cut up some honeycomb apples, honeycut. I'm close. I just can't remember. Something. The sweet one. The good one. There's some bananas in here. We're going to pour the coconut water in. Honeycut. What is it? Am I supposed to shake this or something? I like to read instructions first. It's just water and probably not. I don't see nothing, just in case. This don't look like cereal at all. Supposed to smell like that? I don't like that.
What?
I was just thirsty though, but I don't think I'm gonna like this. It's not crunchy or nothing. Mmm. Yummy. The mandarin is good. Let me get some different fruit because that strawberry ain't where it's at. Let me get it. Is it not a honeycut? Okay. The blackberry, the apple, and that banana together. Oh no, the seeds from the blackberry. Hola. Oh, this feel healthy. This tastes real healthy. What's the name of the apple? I can't take it. I'm gonna be back. Honey Crisp. Honey Crisp apples. Y'all should, one of y'all could have said that. Maybe I do need that recipe. I got more fruit. I'm gonna just eat it regular. Yeah, I'm gonna just eat that regular. gonna have to mix this coconut water with some alcohol to get that down, because that way I'm hydrating while I get drunk. Gotta think about stuff. Yeah, we're not gonna do the cereal. I'ma just eat it regular. And I guess it'll just be cold with that ice cube in it until it melt, because we're not gonna do that. There's a lot of things we're gonna do in life. That's something we ain't not gonna do. Okay, well, that was my nature cereal experience. Thanks for tuning in with me. Catch me on the next episode of Honey Crisp. Okay, I forgot what I was saying. Bye.